it. By the end of the day, we'll be able to solve the problem.
In a press briefing yesterday, Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh shared insights from a two-day review meeting held at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. The minister highlighted the thought-provoking and fruitful nature of discussions, fostering team cohesion. Looking ahead, he said, there is a commitment to increasing the frequency of such exchanges with an expressed need to engage professionals facilitating prompt clearance of schemes facing timeline challenges in Delhi ministries. Over 200 officers spanning directorate, district and block levels engaged in interactive discussions on a multitude of issues.
All the officials that
discussions were very thought-provoking, very fruitful, and helped us build ourselves as a team. And the aim being to also increase the frequency of such exchanges in the future. There is also the felt need to engage professionals who can liaise with the ministries in Delhi to facilitate early and prompt clearance of the various schemes, most of which get caught up due to our inability to meet the timelines required.
The Deputy